iRoom 49, here are your math fluency problems for tomorrow, Thursday, May 7th. The first problem is 3 times 9/7. Please have your answer in simplest form. The second problem is to solve and find an equivalent fraction. There's 2 steps of 5 times 5/7, and you're going to put it in simplest form, and then you're going to find an equivalent fraction to that. The next one, number 3, is 4 times 5 and over 24. It's a fraction, and I would also like that in simplest form. And number 4 is if you had $100.56 and you spent $32.78, how much would you have left? The other thing that we are working on tomorrow is homophones. If you missed yesterday, today, Wednesday, this is what we are working on. Words that sound alike but have a different meaning and are spelled differently. And the example we talked about were there, and there. The first there is when you're going a place, you're going over there. The second one is if you own something. So if Chris and Sarah had 2 cookies, those were their cookies. And then they with the apostrophe RE is also there, but it's a contraction for they are. So they're coming to my house. Those are the 3. So they all sound exactly the same, but they have a different meaning, and they're all spelled differently. So my challenge to you was to find a homophone for the following 5 words. The first one is route, and this route is like a path towards something. The second one is prints. When you make copies, you're making prints of that item. Wade is when you walk slowly into water and it's not very deep. The fourth one is patience. You have a lot of patience if somebody's bothering you, but you're still not staying calm and you're helping them out. That takes patience. And number 5 is mousse. That's a kind of dessert. Mousse. So find the homophone and match it to the 5 words I provided. So you're finding 1 for root, 1 for prince, 1 for Wade, 1 for patience, and 1 for mousse. They should sound exactly the same, but they're spelled differently and they have a different meaning. Tomorrow we're also going to be discussing our weekly wonder story, and please come prepared to discuss one of Maria's problems and how did they solve that problem? What was the solution? All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Check Class Dojo for Zoom information. See you then.